I am a firm believer that if you want to truly level up, build unshakable self-confidence, and navigate people like a pro, you have to master three things: psychology, human nature, and history. Why? Because understanding why we and everyone else behave the way we do is the ultimate secret for self-awareness. And the more self-aware you are, the more magnetic you become. It allows you to detach from the drama and view people action through a logical, almost scientific lens. Today, we are diving into the infamous book that covers all of this, a book so potent that it actually banned in many prisons. The 48 Laws of Power by Greene. Welcome back to Muse. Today, we're exploring how these ruthless strategies can actually be your best friend on your family level of journey. Let's look at my favorite lesson and how they apply to the modern woman. Now, some people find this book controversial because it talks about strategy and manipulation. But in my view, knowledge is just a tool like money. A good person uses it for good, a bad person uses it for bad. Since you are part of the Muse community, I know you are here to use it to improve your life and your relationship. Law 1. Never outside the master. This law tells us to always make those above us feel superior. It sounds humble, but it's actually strategic. People have egos, and appearing too competing can trigger their insecurities. I love this working in my family business. I wasn't getting paid, so I used the time to network. Instead of trying to be the smartest person in the room, I remain humble and raised the achievement of the high-level customer I met. By letting them shine, I opened doors I couldn't help force open. One professor even got me an interview for a business program while I was still in high school, just because I made him feel like the expert he was. You can win by losing the ego battle. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. We talked about this with Alexa the mind. The more you speak, the more likely you are to say something foolish or reveal your hand. Silence is a power move. It creates mystery and makes people eager to feel the silence, often revealing their own secret to you when you remain the enigma. Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. In the level of will, we often hear, don't care what others think, but let's add some nuance. Your reputation is your currency. If you're known as trustworthy, kind, and high value, doors swing open. If you're known for as flaky or disrespectful, those doors slam shut. Take pride in how you carry yourself, how you talk, how you dress, and how you keep your word. Your reputation precedes you into every room. Law 6. Call attention at all costs. In business, you can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows it exists, it fails. The same applies to being an edge girl. You can have the beauty and the brands, but you won't find your dream career or partner hiding in your refrigerator. You have to be seen. Attention is the currency of this age. However, Law 16, you are sent to embrace respect and honor. This is the balance. Once you establish your presence, you must learn when to withdraw. Basic economics. High supply lowers the price. In my past relationship, I realized that not being available 24/7 actually created the space for my partner to genuinely miss me and value our time together. Less is often more. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Don't accept the wrong society, your parents, or your ex focus on you. You have the power to forge a new identity, the highest version of yourself. Reinvention is the ultimate family power, regardless of who you were yesterday. Law 28. Interaction with bonus. Hesitation is a leech in your energy. If you're going to do something, starting a business, ending a toxic relationship, hitting the gym, do it with total commitment. Don't have one foot in and one foot out. When you are poly, you build your own evidence that you are a woman who gets things done. That's where true confidence is born. Robert Greene's law might seem intense, but when you apply them with grace, they become the foundation of a powerful, magnetic life. Understanding psychology has helped me deal with people better and level up my own confidence. And I want the same for you. You ready to apply this right mentality to your love life specifically? I got you covered. At Classy Muse, our goal is to have 1 million women to be truly loved and respected. I put together a free ebook called How to Make You Fall in Love. It's packed with strategies on how to move from chasing to attracting, using the very feminine energy and psychological principles we discussed today. You can download it for free at the link in my description. LassieMuse.com/free. Get it now before it's gone. Wake up, this law hits home for you the most. Are you working on your reputation, or is it time for a total reinvention? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for geeking out with me today. Stay bold, stay magnetic, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.